This is Amboseli, the land of giants. Amboseli's diverse habitats range from open savannas and lush wetlands to acacia woodlands. The seasonal swamps, fed by underground rivers from Mount Kilimanjaro's glaciers, provide a lifeline for the wildlife. At its heart, fed by the melting snows of Mount Kilimanjaro, are the life-giving swamps, a sanctuary for the park's most iconic residents, the elephants. The swamps offer a refuge, providing water and lush vegetation. Elephants live in close-knit family groups led by a matriarch, the oldest and wisest female. Her knowledge of the landscape and water sources is crucial for the herd's survival. The social bonds within the herd are strong, forged through years of shared experiences and mutual care. All daily life for Amboseli's elephants revolves around the search for food and water. The swamps provide not only hydration but also a rich supply of vegetation. Elephants use their trunks with remarkable dexterity to feed, bathe, and play.